Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the MACD crossover trend indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the MACD crossover trend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 25 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We have also tested a total of 384 indicators with a total of 156 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 156 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the MACD crossover trend indicator. And you can kind of see it here on screen. You can see these labels here where it puts sell or buy signal here, and so on. And so the setup on this is obviously pretty easy. When we get a sell tag or a sell little label here, then we will go short. When we get a buy tag or a buy label, then we will go long. So again, not a whole lot to it other than that. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. Moving along here, I'm not sure how many signals this is going to give, so we will see. Alright, so we pick up a sell right here on this one. Play it forward a little bit. And unfortunately, almost immediately, we get a strong reverse of the pullback that was taking place there. And it stops us out pretty quickly there. So, first one, and it is a losing signal there. Continue forward here some more. Price action is bouncing around again. Seems like this one is not going to give us a whole lot of signals in 1 year's time. That is always relatively problematic. We definitely need more than 5, even 10 trades within 1 year, in my opinion. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Again, not a very good indicator there. So now would be a good time to say, though, that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it will give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophies. You can also find a link down below to our Discord. Our admin, Jay, has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit rather than TradingView, that would be a really handy list for you to have. Our regular members, as well as our admins, are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they have marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting trades and taking profits. Whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And so really, really great information that they are putting out there for everyone. Lastly, one thing that we've been doing here recently is I've put together a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and so it shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as our win rates, and links to the videos to go back and review those strategies. And so you'll get that list, as well as the full list of indicators that we have tested with their win rates, and which ones were winners and which ones were losers, and so on. And so pass that on to all the patrons. Really, really great information. A lot of great benefits for joining the Patreon, and it's really super cheap. Doesn't cost hardly anything at all. So, all right, back to the indicator here. All right, so we had one trade signal in the year, and it was a losing signal. And so I do believe that this makes this indicator the worst indicator that we have tested yet. That is a 100% loss. Yeah, I'm almost positive no other indicator has taken a complete loss, but this one has. And so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.